start off the eye makeup look, we're going to set the eyeshadow base that we just put on the whole lid, which is MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And I'm using a flesh tone shade. This one's Locked and Loaded from ColourPop. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Alright, the next step is to do a transition shade. And I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and using these two shades here, Silk Cream and MFEO, with a blending sort of brush, and pop it in the crease.
Over the hills and far from her, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered.
Alright, so for all over the lid, I'm going to be doing a gold shade. I'm taking Queen from the Jaclyn Hill palette and taking a Morphe M167, sprucing it with a little spray and going right in with the eyeshadow to really pack it on the lid.
And hope that you'll take it into her side.
I'm going to go in with the shade called Pukey from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and it looks like it sounds. I'm now going to go in with a single MAC eyeshadow called Soft Brown and try and warm up my crease with a little bit more of an orange tint to it. And then to deepen out the outer corner, I'm going to be using Buns and Jacks from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This one's more of a mauve tone brown, and then we have a more cranberry red, kind of like my shirt. Kind of want to match that theme. So I'm going to mix the two and put it on the outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with a Morphe M433 and take a little bit of this color here called Mocha, which is just a chocolatey brown, to go in the outer corner as well to kind of tone down that red. Alright, so for the next step, I'm taking the Stila Magnificent Metals on a packer brush, and I'm going to kind of make a cut crease, if you will. Dry that down a little bit so then I can kind of work on my outer crease again and smoke it out a little bit more to blend it all in. And I'm going to use the same Mocha shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and the same Morphe M433 to kind of blend those together on this outer corner area. And I'm just kind of packing it rather than swirling. And then, let's see here. I'm using that same first brush we used with the Locked and Loaded, and I'm gonna blend all the edges out. Alright, so now that the shadows are softly diffused together, I'm going to highlight the brow bone and inner corner. I'm using these top two shades in the Jaclyn palette in Light and Beam. I'm mixing the two on a nice small pencil smudge brush.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift.
And using that same pencil brush, I'm gonna dip it into these three shades again that I used in the crease to do my lower lash line.
And hope that you'll take it into her side.
This is from Essence. It's their eyeliner pen, the waterproof one. I'm going to be using this to create a nice wing eyeliner. To be using some mascara to complete this look. I have two base mascaras that I like to use, and then I have like a topper mascara. I really like the L'Oreal Telescopic Black Mascara. I think throughout this channel I have a theme of dropping things, so I might just roll with it. And the next one is the Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit that just came out. I think I'm going to use that one today. I really like that formula. Alright, so I just finished up the mascara of the Bad Gal Bang. And now I'm going to use the Maybelline Falsies to top it all off. Alright, now that we're done with mascara, I'm going to be doing a lip. I go warmer with the Lolita 2 though. And I'm going to lip line with the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comment. I'm going to play the fields a little bit. I'm going to use Flitter from ColourPop, and I'm going to put this in the center of my lips to make them fuller. And it has some gold reflex, so I think that would work nicely with the eye look. Give it a nice little highlighted effect. And I'm blotting it out a little bit to not look as harsh. Alright, there we have our completed eye look and lip look. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this eye tutorial look that I did for you. If you have any suggestions for my next video, leave me a comment down below. And I am looking forward to the next video, and I hope you guys are too. Have a great day, guys. Bye!